I know people have different opinions on pineapple pizza, but tell me, have you ever heard of a peach pizza? Today I'm going to show you how I make a peach pizza with bacon topped with pistachios. It is so tasty. I'm going to give you all the measurements to make one large pizza, but today I divided up my dough and I made two smaller 10-inch pizzas. Preheat the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit while you stretch out your pizza dough and prep the ingredients. Cook the bacon until it's almost done. It will finish cooking a little bit in the oven. Take the skin off of a peach and slice it in wedges. I have a recipe on sipbygo.com to make your own pizza sauce, but you could always use store-bought. You're going to need about half a cup. I should mention I love to let my pizza dough rise in the sun for at least 1 hour before working with it, just so it gets a little fluffier. Spray some oil on your cast iron skillet and then add the pizza dough right on top. I like to spray the crust with oil too. Add the pizza sauce, load on the cheese, add chunks of cooked bacon, and peach wedges. Pop this cast iron skillet back in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and the crust is golden brown. Top with fresh basil leaves and a tablespoon of crushed pistachios. You could also add some hot sauce or balsamic glaze. Go nuts. If you're looking for fun things to cook that are easy recipes too, make sure to join my Foodie Fridays email list. Delicious.